Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Do you love your pets but hate the hair or fur they sometimes leave behind on your carpets? Well, for me, I was having such a hard time getting the hair up off the rug that my dog leaves behind until I found this amazing carpet rake from ANLIZY. So this carpet rake has a 60-inch handle, but it goes from 17 inches to 60 inches. So you can take sections out and adjust it to the length that is easiest for you to use. It has this coil metal on each side of the rake, which means that you're able to simply draw it across the rug or surface that you want to remove the hair or fur from, and it absolutely gets up every bit. I was surprised by all the different surfaces I was able to use and how easily and quickly this removed cat hair, dog hair, even my hair from the surface. So if you have pets, you probably have fur, and fur gets embedded in carpeting even though you vacuum. I highly recommend this tool. This carpet rake has been so great in removing pet hair. After it's been embedded in the carpets are so much cleaner, and me and my pets are so much happier. Right, honey girl? And that is our point of view.